Welcome! In front of me I have Mibro Watch A1 and I'm gonna show you how to set an image as a watch face on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your own image or a picture as a watch face. Before we start, if you want to set an image as a watch face on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Mibro Fit application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to open the Mibro Fit application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, tap on device icon, and here you should see your Mibro Watch A1 on the device page. Now tap on watch faces, and here tap on album dial. Now tap on the plus button, tap on determine, and allow the permission. And here we can do two things. We can tap on the camera icon right here to open the camera app, and then you can take a picture and use it as a watch face, or you can scroll through the list of pictures, find the picture you want to use as a watch face, and once you find it, you can tap on it to select it. Tap here, tap apply, and now we can crop the image. Because the whole image won't fit on the watch face, we need to select the part of it, and you can make this circle bigger, smaller to zoom in, basically like this, and then you can move it around. So whatever is gonna be in this highlighted area is gonna be on our watch face. So crop the image, then tap crop, and here we have a preview. Now we can change the style of the font on the clock. We can also change the dial style, basically the position. And finally, we can change the color of the dial. For example, I'm gonna set it to, I don't know, maybe green. And once you're done, tap on select current dial. It's gonna start installing. And once it's done, it's gonna be applied on our watch. As you can see, the watch face has been applied. The green color though wasn't the best choice because we can barely see the clock. Anyway, that's how you set the image as a watch face. You can close the app. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.